My original video about DistroKid is one of my most watched videos ever. Thank you all for the positive comments. I'm so glad that you found it helpful. You had some great questions as well. So today I'm answering 20 questions about DistroKid, the stuff I didn't cover in that video, but so many of you asked. If you haven't watched that video about DistroKid, check it out first because I cover all the basic information like what DistroKid is, how it works, the different plans, how you get paid. By the way, the information in this video is not legal advice. I always encourage you to do your own research and get a lawyer if you need real legal advice. If you're new around here, I'm Sanjay C, and I have tons of videos about music production and gear reviews on my channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll be sure to make it worth your click. All right, the first question is probably the most popular one. You asked, if I release a song on Spotify through DistroKid, is it automatically protected from copyright infringement? It's not the releasing of the song on Spotify that protects you, it's the actual creation of the music. US copyright law protects your music when it's created for the first time by you. So yes, you are protected as soon as you create the music. Still, formally applying for a copyright will give you some extra protection. I'll add a link in the description to read more about it. All right, number 2, I don't live in the US. How can DistroKid help me collect royalties? You can upload to DistroKid from wherever you live, and it'll be available wherever those platforms stream. For example, if Spotify is available in your country, upload it through DistroKid, and it'll be available to your friends and listeners in your country on Spotify and everywhere else. Number 3, do I need to register my music with BMI or ASCAP? What happens if I don't? BMI and ASCAP are organizations that help musicians get paid for the performance of their music in public places like bars and clubs, malls, coffee shops. You don't have to register your music with them, but they do offer some other nice services. ASCAP only charges a one-time $50 fee, so it's worth checking out. All right, next question. Which should come first, my DistroKid account or my Spotify artist account? What's the best way to do it? Okay, if you don't have an existing artist page on Spotify, the DistroKid service will create one during your first upload. If you already have a Spotify artist account, you can connect to it during that upload process. Boom, that was easy. Next up. What if someone else does a cover of my song and uploads it through DistroKid? How can I claim copyright infringement? All right, if someone has uploaded your song without your permission, you can reach out to each store like Spotify with a DMCA takedown request. You might need to Google around for each store's process for that. It's different for different stores. All right, does DistroKid own the rights to my music in any way legally? No, DistroKid does not claim rights to any of your uploads. You may see some people claim that, hey, DistroKid is stealing my song rights. Honestly, I don't even know how this would be legally possible. It just doesn't make sense. They're not taking your rights away. Next, we have a few questions about your songs and YouTube. When DistroKid uploads my song to YouTube, where does it go? YouTube will decide which channel your music goes into. I found that they actually place my song under a topic called Sanjay C, a topic. Artists are automatically assigned a topic page. This happens for everyone, including Drake. The topic page has content that's available in YouTube's music app and their streaming service. But if you already have a YouTube channel, you can associate your channel to your DistroKid account. I'll put a link in the description with instructions on how to do that. Next, so what if I've already posted my songs on YouTube? Do I need to delete them? Okay, so you don't need to delete them. When you upload to Google Play, your songs are also added to YouTube as an art track, which shows your album art as the video with your music playing. You can still upload your own music video for your song. In fact, most major artists upload via a service like DistroKid to get an art track onto YouTube, and then separately upload a music video directly to YouTube. Okay, more about YouTube. If I already posted my song on YouTube and then DistroKid does the same, can I still monetize my video? Good question. You can still monetize your own videos. Now, if you've opted into DistroKid's YouTube Money service, which adds your music to YouTube's Content ID system, it checks all over YouTube for videos that may be using your music, then collects ad revenue for you. And if it finds your upload, You may see claims from Audium or Interstreet recordings, but you can safely just ignore those claims. DistroKid will collect the ad revenue and send it back to you anyway. Hey, if you're finding this information useful, hit the like button, and if you haven't joined DistroKid yet, you can use the link in the description to get a discount to sign up. It's an affiliate link, and you can create one as well to pass on a discount to your friends and make a little money for yourself. Unless you want DistroKid to keep all the cash. Get paid, people. Spotify isn't available in my country. Will DistroKid still upload the song for me and get my Spotify account created and verified? Yes, they will. You don't need to have Spotify in your country to earn money from your music on it. Can't beat that. What's the benefit of using DistroKid over Amuse or TuneCore? From what I've seen so far, the main benefits of using DistroKid is that it's cheaper than most other services, but you have to do your own research on that. Some services offer some benefits that others don't, and some service fee methods may make better sense for you. Okay, I found my song available on Instagram in the US and UK, but not in my own home country. What happened? Okay, most uploads appear worldwide in every country that the different stores or streaming services support. Some releases may not be distributed to all countries, or even they may be removed, based on language, explicit content, licensing, and other various issues. I guess it's gonna be kind of hard to figure out what happened. Every country's laws are different, and the way streaming services work in different countries may be different too. Next question, does DistroKid process royalties in all countries? Okay, in whatever country a store or streaming service operates in, DistroKid will collect the royalties for you, and you get to keep all those earnings. It's a nice thing about DistroKid. Okay, I like this one. What about cover songs? Can I upload them? Yes. You can upload cover songs, and DistroKid will charge you $12 a year for that song to manage the license. It's to pay the original songwriter. Check out the link in the description for these specifics. But yeah, you can upload cover songs. Next question. I've already released a song through Level Music or CD Baby or whatever. How do I transfer them to DistroKid? The simple answer is to upload the song to DistroKid first, and then go back to your old distributor and remove them from there. If you use the exact same metadata like song titles, album titles, ISRC code, the stores, specifically Spotify, will ensure that you don't lose play counts or the playlist that your song is on. By the way, that ISRC code I mentioned just now, that's an international code that identifies your song. You can find your ISRC code in DistroKid on your song page. Next question, can I downgrade from DistroKid's Musician Plus plan to the cheaper Musician plan? All right, right now, the only way to downgrade your plan is to delete your songs and albums, cancel your account, and then create a new account with the lower plan using a new email address. That kind of sucks, but that's what you got. All right, how can I change the DistroKid ISRC to my personal ISRC? All right, we're back to the ISRC code. To use your own ISRC, you'll need the Musician Plus plan or the label plan on DistroKid. Then you can use your own ISRCs when uploading. Certain things like audio files, track listing, genre, language cannot be changed via a metadata update. To change them, you'll need to delete and re-upload a corrected version. Next question. I uploaded a song a few weeks ago and it's still not on Spotify. What happened? So it can take up to a week for albums to be reviewed, approved, and then sent to stores. For some people, it's been a day or so, like it was for my song, and for some, even 2 weeks to get approved. That's why I recommended setting up and scheduling your song release date 2 weeks ahead in that previous video. You'll need the Musician Plus plan to set a custom release date. The delay could be all sorts of things. Some services like Pandora took a long time to post my song when Spotify just took a couple days. Oh, for more information about the time it takes to release to stores, you can check a link I'll put in the description. Okay, I have 30 songs and lots of plays and only 80 cents in earnings. What gives? Well, first of all, congratulations on lots of plays. Keep in mind that sales reports and payments are available to you based on when DistroKid receives them from those stores. It generally takes a few months for stores to report any earnings, but some stores do report less frequently, like maybe quarterly. Now, I saw other comments from people who were just saying they're not getting plays or earnings for their songs. You have to promote your own music. You've got to be your own PR team and promote your songs far and wide as much as you can so you can reach listeners. Don't just let your music sit there. Share it and keep sharing and then keep creating. All right, last question. If I stop paying my yearly fee to DistroKid, are my songs permanently deleted from platforms along with the number of plays they got? Yes, but there's a way to protect it. You see, you're paying for a service, so if you stop paying, then of course, once you cancel your subscription, the takedown requests are submitted to stores. But don't forget, DistroKid also has this Leave a Legacy feature, which costs extra per song or album, but you can rest assured that your song or album will not be taken down if you stop paying the yearly fee. I think this is a great option if a song or album of yours is doing really, really well. Protect it. And you can do this at any time, even if your song is already uploaded. There you have it, 20 questions answered about DistroKid. If you found this information useful, hit the like button. And if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. Maybe I'll do another video like this. Don't wait to get your music out there. No matter what service you use, finish a song, upload it, and move on. That's the best way to keep improving your craft. Keep making the music you love, and check out one of these videos next.